What do we start with, guys?
Surely we get the legendaries out of the way first.
Okay. It's a unique pick, but I'll open a legendary.
That's a nice skin.
Yeah.
I fuck with that skin.
Can't keep a good ape down.
Okay. That's a nice spray. I'm actually too scared to open mine. It is open mine. So I'm too away from the camera.
Oh my gosh, double dragon dance. You can put those together. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, that's such a cute skin.
You always get widow skins, you know.
I know, I don't play enough Widow. I need to get better at it.
I'm going to break it down.
Oh.
Oh.
Want some candy?
Oh.
I'm a party animal.
What's up, Addy Butt?
When the hell are you guys gambling?
Right now.
Oh, loot boxes. That's all.
At the weekend.
Is that the weekend? Okay.
Is that the weekend? Is that the weekend?
Volvamos a la medianoche.
I don't know what she just said. Okay.
Wow, these are sick.
Happy Halloween.
Thanks, Diva.
You will regret your insolence when I free the Kraken.
What I mean, though. What I mean.
The answers lie beyond our stars.
I'm bored. We got something good.
No, we cannot. No, we cannot.
I'm picking my nose right now. Just to let y'all know.
Okay.
K.O.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the good stuff. This is why we came to these loot boxes.
And they say chivalry is dead.
Oh yeah, back to back.
Wait, that's a cool as hell spray, though.
It's a Reaper spray.
I know.
I thought it was a Sombra spray.
Oh my god.
And they say chivalry is dead.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, Elijah, you manifested it.
You're welcome.
And they say chivalry is dead.
I can't believe I didn't have that.
Oh, W hands are mythic, bro.
Bro, stop. I don't even.
Look at them.
Oh,
toes.
yeah.
Oh my god, she's so cute.
Oh, W Symmetry. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I hate the skin.
Big guy, SpongeBob.
Big guy. Big guy. Big guy.
I love this spring.
You should equip it then.
Guys, look.
6,
Yeah.
7.
Guys, look.
I actually don't
It's
hate that
so
skin.
good.
It's like one of the few Sojin legendaries I actually like.
What does the gun look like? Oh, I mean, it's alright.
Fucking crazy. Oh wait, hit that man.
She's hitting the SpongeBob.
My fate is written in blood.
That's not ideal.
Nothing a little TLC can't fix. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I mean...
Nothing in the world is as
That's
yielding
2
as water.
Roadhog legendaries now.
I know.
Just marry him at this point.
I'm good.
Oh, that's nice as fuck.
It is.
No, it's not. It's pink.
Purple, actually.
That's purple, bro. No, you just got schooled by the colorblind guy, you fucking drone.
Dude, I'm naked right now. You don't want to mess with me.
Oh, dude, please show me.
Yo, guys.
No.
I'm on top of the world.
I like
That was a
this
good
skin.
spray.
What?
Black's my lucky color.
Why
Well, you
does
just
it
got
say-
lost media.
Why does it say currently
You just got
unavailable?
lost media.
What?
Black's my lucky color.
How did I get that if it's currently unavailable?
You're fucking hacking, bro. I'm reporting you and getting you banned.
My god.
Your emotions make you vulnerable.
Is that not like a widow voice line? Wait, I wanted this emote!
Oh, tough mangoes. Wait, this is actually pretty good for you. And that's Loki, a
not
nice
bad
Reaper skin.
That's Loki, a nice skin.
Following the flight plan.
Okay, but this highlight intro is so cool.
Best highlight intro in the fucking game, bro.
Good fortune.
Everything's coming up explodey.
Murphy, down.
Oh, I thought you meant Murphy down as in Murphy died.
No! I
How is that a
just-
legendary?
She looks like Mercy.
No, she doesn't! Ugh. Oh.
That is sick.
That is tough
Qué puerta.
mangoes.
The more things change, the more they stay the same.
Okay.
Did you hear something?
Beep beep boom boom.
Beep beep!
Okay.
Oh, damn. Oh, no way. Oh, never mind. I thought that was the phone call one.
Oh, I did not mean to do that. I meant to equip it. Oh wow. You can have a look at this Torby remote. Wait. Where is he?
Fight for our world.
Okay.
Legendary in the next box. I can feel it in my butthole.
Your butthole is wrong.
Two
Yo, why
epics.
is he
Oh, why is he white? Oh,
And that's like
Brienne's wearing
not
the
it,
skin as well.
bro.
Not a bad.
Oh, I like that tracer spray though. It's a cool spray.
That is a cool spray. Equipping that. Fuck you, Emily.
Really?
Sorry.
Poor Emily. I don't even know who she is.
Tracer's lesbian girlfriend, bro.
Oh,
Because
Really?
Tracer's a little lesbian.
Yo, chill.
Dude, they'll just make anyone a lesbian these days.
Yo, chill.
Empathy module.
So much to see. So little time.
Oh yeah! No, you're actually too lucky. Junkrat and Roadhog.
Free skin, by the way.
Come on, let's get these epics out the way, bro.
Epic Games.
That's a nice as fuck skin. Oh my gosh. You're the highlight name for that.
Relatable. Wait, that's adorable. I'm equipping for all of you.
What?
What?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh my god.
His belly button is a lily.
That's unreal.
That's Unreal Engine, bro.
That's Unreal Engine 6.
That's GTA 6, bro.
Her face is GTA 6 in a nice way. I'm gonna pre-order your face.
Wait, I have the skin for this though.
walk along the path.
I'm
to
opening one of these.
enlightenment.
I'm upset and sad.
Shut up, drinker.
What?
That's what drinkers do. They're upset and they're sad.
Much better than retirement.
This
I like that
Russian
Zen
judge
skin, though.
is unimpressed.
I like drinking.
Okay.
You chicken.
Bro, can you get something good, bro? Your luck stinks.
I know, I know. Why is he?
Oh my god, he's slapping his belly.
Okay, open a legendary box.
Oh fuck, bro, I was wrong. I'm sorry.
Do you really want to be with me? I can be dangerous.
Why'd she say that?
Because she wants me.
You?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Are you doubting me? That's a child.
That looks like Naruto.
Looks like Sasuke, bro.
It's like Korra.
Why are you getting so much Winston shit, bro? Winston, Roadhog, and Junkrat, bro. It's time to get monkey.
Junkies.
It's time to get monkey and junkie up in this bitch.
Monkey and junkie.
Most of my legendaries from my normal. That's a nice skin. Most of my legendaries for my normals have been early anyway, so I'm not too mad.
Tout le plaisir est pour moi.
probably dressing up to
Wait,
be
I
the
love
prettiest
this
girl at the
skin.
That skin
party.
is nice as fuck.
I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
This skin is so nice. This is one of my favorite brick skins.
Cutting words.
I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
Okay, Elijah, we get it.
I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party. See, I will send you a mystery gift, bro.
Oh no. Yo.
Ooh.
Smash.
Okay.
Wrong video, bro.
Gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
I give it a 3.
Wait, how many do you have left?
17. Wait, I wanted this May skin.
Why?
Because I love it. It's so cute. Look, she's got like little ears.
She's got like little ears that she can hear from. Oh no, that spray is tough. Go on, get one more legendary out of these normal ones if you're a bad man.
I'll try.
How mangy.
Hell, man, yeah. So glad I'm not Scottish.
Why?
Because I would just be pissed off at my own
You
accent.
sound like
all day.
Clove from Valorant.
I would. What is she? What? Ooh, what do they say?
Yeah, good boy.
Sorry.
They say, I shot something.
They do say that. I've got my lucky socks.
Ew, yeah.
I shot something. That was good, bro.
No sweat.
W self glaze.
No, I was telling you it was good.
I know. I'm just good at rage moving.
5.
What I mean though.
That's the Konami code, bro.
4. 3.
I'll pop a big ka-chow on one.
What he said.
2.
Is that Pyra?
You're barking up the wrong tree.
1.
Ka-chow!
That was not worth it at all. Okay, here we go, the big ones. Oh, that's a fire
I
emote.
love this emote.
Legendary in the next box. Would you look at that?
Yeah, your luck is just too good, actually.
That means you're playing.
Extraterrestrials can be human too.
Ka-chow.
Oh, that's so Chinese. Oh, that's not even remotely Chinese. It's a nice skin, though.
I like the skin. I don't play the hero.
G3P.
Last one.
Just sauce.
Ka-chow! Oh. Oh.
Second far legendary this opening.
Oh. You got 3 Roadhog legendaries,
My God, you reek of opium, bro.
2 Far legendaries, 2 Symmetra. Oh no, 1 Symmetra legendary, or did you get 2?
I think it was just one. Let's see.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Yeah, just one. But I did get this nice as hell Widow skin.
You got 2 legendary Widow skins. The other one was ugly though.
Yeah.
Who did that?
I wouldn't mind it like an Ash legendary, but it's okay.
Bro, I can't believe you have Shanghai Dragon's Ash, bro. I'm so jealous of that.
Did you know that he has 7 rings?
Who has 7 rings?
Shang-Chi.
Shang-Chi? I didn't say Shang-Chi. Bro, do you know who else has 7 rings?
Yeah.
Yao Ming.
Guys, you wanna know who else has 7 rings?
Who else?
Ariana Grande.
Oh, bro, I think she's gonna die soon.
What?